Hey guys, and it happened again. We have our second live look of the Galaxy S10. Actually, it's a third one because there was another leak couple of hours ago of the Galaxy S10 Plus. As we can see, the dual pill-shaped hole. But this right here is the live look of the Galaxy S10 model with one infinity hole. It is real and it's the best look yet. So S10 in its full hole glory is here. Beautiful OLED hole display. We have the important things in the status bar. So if you look at the status bar, we have the battery icon, signals, and Wi-Fi right next to the hole. And towards the left side, we have the time and other information. Some people were concerned if the hole actually cuts out the part of an app. So for that, Ice Universe says that Samsung actually made the status bar bigger and wider, so it's not gonna mess up with that app experience. Other than that, the side bezels are almost non-existent. It's an edge display and the same button placement can be seen. So we have the volume rocker and Bixby on the left, and towards the right we have the power key. One thing I feel like is that the power key is placed a bit higher this time, and it's gonna be even higher on the S10 Plus model to decrease the accidental Bixby key presses. Thank you. Now when you look at the screen, something interesting is happening. The Galaxy S10 comes back with full support for blockchain storage. I feel like it's the first proper international high-end flagship phone to have this support. So it will allow you to do things like creating a new wallet or import your existing wallet. Samsung blockchain key store is also coming as well. For now, the only currency that is supported is Ethereum. There will be more in the future. Now this is very smart since blockchain is expected to rise. So Galaxy S10 is your fully blockchain storage supported phone. And all in all, if you look at the design, it looks pretty stunning. And yes, if you think that this hole will be like more noticeable and everything, at first it will, but then you will be able to get used to it just like the way you have used your previous phones. Now, let me know your thoughts about the design down below in the comment section. Love to hear your thoughts. The Galaxy S10 definitely looks better than the S10 Plus, but that has dual front camera. Again, we'll review and see how much those dual front cameras are actually better than the single front camera of the S10. Now, speaking of cameras, something I'm really excited about to hear is Samsung has made some serious changes to the camera, particularly camera processing in the Galaxy S10 and its color. The Vice Chairman Lee Jae Wong recently went to Europe, and at a retail store, one of the employees said to him how he prefers the iPhone pictures over the Samsung phone. And this actually sparked the discussion at Samsung. The quality of the pictures on a Galaxy phone are very sharp and the colors are vivid. Some people like that and some people don't. It's a matter of personal preference, but Samsung wants to find like a balance between this and make the picture looks better, not too vivid, and actually satisfy the people on the other side as well. So apparently, according to this report, the employee told his preference to the chairman of Samsung as to why he prefers the iPhone's camera, and that started a huge discussion. And according to a senior official at Samsung, he says that the company has worked really hard on improving the Galaxy S10 camera features. Again, we'll see how much it gets improved with the software and everything. This time the AI will be playing its huge part. There will be a dedicated night mode as well, so I can definitely see a lot of great things happening on the 3 cameras that will be on the back of the Samsung Galaxy S10. It's going to be a massive camera upgrade indeed. And recently we got some pricing leak for the Galaxy S10 models as well, so it falls under the same expected prices that I showed you guys a couple of weeks ago. So S10 Lite could start in between $700 to $800 range. The Galaxy S10 could start in between $850 to $950 for the base model, and the S10 Plus is expected to start at $1,000 for the base 128GB model. And for the S10 5G, it is expected to start somewhere around $1,300 to $1,400 price. So that's all we have regarding the latest scoop on the Samsung Galaxy S10. As you can see, live images are here, the best that we have right now. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.